The steering wheel incorporates audio control buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Press the Mode button to change the audio source. If it is a long press, held for more than 0.8 seconds, it will function as the radio off button. To turn the radio back on, simply press the Mode button again. The Seek preset buttons have different functions based on the audio mode and how long you press the button. In radio mode, it will cycle through the preset stations. If it is a long press, held for more than 0.8 seconds, it will function as the Auto Seek Select button until released. In CD, USB, and iPod mode, it will function as Track Up-Down button. If it is a long press, held for more than 0.8 seconds, it will fast forward or rewind in the track until released. You can also adjust the volume by pressing up or down on the volume button. To turn off all audio and the microphone during a phone call, push down on the volume button to mute the sound.